Hey guys, how are you doing? Perplexity AI 1 year promotional offer is about to end for several users. Like they have announced this offer a year ago with several network carriers around the world, like India, Canada, Australia, and few other countries. They made a tie-up with the network carrier and announced this offer to let users try the Perplexity AI app with different models. Their pro plan absolutely free of cost. So if you have also enabled that 1 year free pro plan subscription, then in this video I'm just going to guide you step by step how to cancel it properly, because users were searching in the Perplexity app for canceling their subscription or to know the status of their subscription, and many were not able to find it. So we will quickly go through the steps that involves how to cancel it properly and to check whether it is cancelled or not. So the very first thing is, in the Perplexity app, whether it is iPhone or Android, when you check your account settings page, the subscription status is not properly available. What you have to do is open the browser, the Safari browser or Google Chrome browser on your Android device or iPhone, and then open the Perplexity AI website, the perplexity.ai, and log in with your Perplexity account. There in the left side, when you navigate inside your profile page, you'll be seeing the screw-like icon, settings icon. Tap on that and it will open up the settings page, which opens the desktop computer kind of options, because the default Perplexity mobile app don't have these options. So in desktop, when you log in the computer, you can access all these settings options, your subscription status also. So when you open it from the third-party browser, it gives you the complete details, and the subscription section is also visible there. So you can verify whether the subscription is active. If it is active and it is about to cancel for the next, like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you can cancel it right away to prevent any unnecessary charges, auto renewal charges, if you have accidentally enabled it. Otherwise, by default, if you have enabled the subscription, free 1 year subscription using your network carrier application, then the auto renewal will be cancelled automatically if you haven't enabled the auto renewal option. So just to make sure that there is no such unnecessary charges, you need to verify using the browser method, as the application subscription status details are not properly given by the Perplexity app. And just to give a quick heads up, if you're looking for a medicine tracker for you and your family, do check out Kevio medicine tracker. I'll leave a link to this in the description and in the first pinned comment. You can track your individual medicine routines, supplements, injections or inhalers. You can keep a track of it. You can also keep a track of your parents and kids medication routines using one app, so that you can remind them about the time, whether they have you can check on them whether they have took the medicine at that certain time or not. It also has a free water reminder, blood donation tracker, and plenty of other features that are essential as a medication tracker to keep a complete history of it. Do check it out. I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first pinned comment. And I hope this video helped you to cancel the Perplexity subscription to avoid unnecessary charges. You may share this video with your friends if you think they have also subscribed to their Perplexity, and if they are not planning to use it, it may be helpful to them. Thank you so much for watching. For more, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.